Let us now understand how Human Peritus will support you in cracking Admin Officer GSIC exam. Our preparation plan is composed of 4 components. Component number 1. First, we'll send you printed concise booklets via courier at your home. Through these printed booklets, you'll be able to cover entire syllabus in a very short span of time. Please note that the current affairs are also included. Component number 2, next, will give you access to recorded videos of entire course Admin Officer GSI. Please note that these classes were conducted specially for UPSC recruitment exams. You are welcome to check the style and quality of teaching by looking at few demo videos which are available on our website. Let me show you where you can find these recorded videos. Go to website of Human Peritus, go to GSI Admin Officer page. Once you are on the GSI page, in the middle of this page, you will find various recorded videos of our classes. Component number 3, next, will give you access to an online question bank of more than 7,000 questions. Let me show you how it looks like. Once you log in with username and password, this is how it looks like. There are 3 important points about this online question bank. Number 1, this question bank includes all previous year papers of various recruitment exams of UPSC like Admin Officer, ALC, APFC, EPFO, ESIC, etc. Plus, we also have made available other UPSC exams like NDA, CDS, Civil Services Prelims, etc. Plus, there are new questions by our team. Second important point, please note that we have subdivided these 7,000 questions in approximately 150 subtopics. For example, let us look at the topic of human resource management. As you can see that there are 34 questions only on the topic of compensation management. Similarly, there are 61 questions on performance management and appraisal. We can also look at another topic, maybe we can look at Indian polity. Under Indian polity, you can see that there are 18 questions only on election commission, 13 questions on UPSC and SPSC. Similarly, you can see that there are 107 questions on Indian Parliament. This is how we have broken down entire question bank in approximately 150 subtopics. Why we did it? So that you have flexibility to focus only on those areas where you feel the need. Third important point about this question bank. Please note that these questions are not only with answer but a detailed explanation with every question. You can see that in front of you. Thus, this question bank is not only to assess you but also to make you learn with every question. Component number 4. Finally, when your entire syllabus is over, we'll make you go through 8 full-length, fresh mock test papers. These mock test papers will be computer-based, just like actual UPSC exam. Please note that if you go through these 4 components with us, you need not touch any other book, not even previous year papers, nothing else. Just go through whatever we ask you to do and you are ready for the exam. You can completely depend upon us for your success. So, how you can enroll? Go to website of Human Peritus, then go to GSIC page. First understand the entire structure of program. You can also look at few demo recorded classes which are given in the middle of the page. You can also look at sample study material which is given over here. If interested, you can enroll using these green buttons. If there are any doubts, you can get back to us via email or phone. We also have given 2 links in the description below. The first link is for GSI page on our website. There is another link. If you click on that, that will connect you with our team directly via WhatsApp. You can discuss, you can ask anything which you want. Feel free to let us know if you have any queries. All the best. Thank you.